We spend so much time thinking successful people have perfect lives, until everything falls apart behind the scenes. The truth is, confidence, clarity, and self-worth don't just happen. They're built. And in the next 7 days, you can start becoming a better version of yourself, one step at a time. Day 1. Know your purpose. Most people drift through life. No direction, no clarity, just reacting. But when you know your purpose, even a small one, you stop feeling lost. You don't need to have everything figured out, you just need a direction. Ask yourself, what kind of life do I actually want? That answer becomes your compass. Day 2. Know your values. If you don't know what matters to you, you'll end up chasing what doesn't. Is it freedom? Family? Growth? Peace? Pick your top 5 values. Then ask, does my life reflect these? If not, that's where change begins. Day 3. Know your needs. Unmet needs create frustration. We all need something. Recognition? Love? Control? Peace? Be honest, because when your needs go unmet, you slowly lose yourself. Day 4. Know your passions. You already know what excites you. You just keep pushing it aside, because of fear. Because of doubt. Because it feels unrealistic. But passion gives you energy. Without it, everything feels like a chore. Follow it, and things start to move. Day 5. Live from the inside out. Most people live reacting to noise. Social media. Pressure. Opinions. But real clarity comes from silence. Take time to think. Breathe. Reflect. Even for a few minutes a day can reset your mind. Because when your mind is clear, your life becomes clearer. Day 6. Honor your strengths. You're better than you think. You've just been focusing on your weaknesses. What are you naturally good at? Thinking? Creating? Helping others? Your strengths are your advantage, because confidence doesn't come from fixing everything. It comes from using what you already have. Use them, and watch your confidence grow. Day 7. Serve others. The fastest way to feel fulfilled? Stop making everything about yourself. When you help others, not for attention, not for praise. Just because you can, you find meaning. Because the more you give, the more meaningful your life becomes. And sometimes, the smallest impact can change someone's entire day. 7 days can change more than you think, but only if you start. If this video gave you clarity, make sure you subscribe and stay connected.